Welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing incorrect deposit information in ADP Payroll step by step for a smooth payroll experience. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing incorrect deposit information in ADP Payroll step by step for a smooth payroll experience. Handling incorrect deposit information in your ADP Payroll setup can seem daunting, but with this clear step-by-step process, you can resolve the issue efficiently. First, log into your ADP Payroll account with your credentials and navigate to the Employee Payroll section. Once there, locate the employee whose deposit information is incorrect and select their profile. Go to the direct deposit settings and review the bank account details carefully. Check for common errors such as wrong account numbers, routing numbers, or bank names. If you spot incorrect details, click the Edit or Update button to modify the deposit information. Input the accurate bank account number, routing number, and bank name as provided by the employee. Double-check that the information you entered matches exactly what the employee has provided to avoid future errors. After updating the details, save the changes and confirm that the updated information is displayed correctly. Notify the employee that the correction has been made and ask them to monitor their next payroll deposit for accuracy. If corrections need to be made after payroll submission, contact ADP support immediately for further guidance and potential manual adjustments. Always maintain clear communication with employees and your payroll team to ensure deposit information stays up to date and accurate. Regular audits of direct deposit information help prevent issues and keep payroll running smoothly. Remember these steps whenever you encounter incorrect deposit info in ADP Payroll, and you'll manage changes confidently without the need for confusion or delays. Your payroll process can maintain integrity and keep your team paid correctly each cycle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you never miss helpful payroll tips and tutorials.